Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial for the Continental Controls employees on how we do how we log in and enroll in our new online paperless enrollment benefit system. First, for those of you in open enrollment, you're going to be looking for this email. For those of you hired throughout the year, you'll get a similar but different email. You're going to be looking for this little login button at the bottom. You'll click that. You'll be taken to your home page. It is continentalcontrols.ease.com. If this is your first time visiting the site, you'll be asked to choose a username and password. If you've already logged in, you'll put in your username and password. You'll go ahead and log in. During open enrollment, we're going to come to our dashboard here. We're going to go to Start Enrollment. We're going to hit Start here again. Quick overview. You're going to fill out all your information here. Once it's all filled out, notice all the asterisks there. They're asking you lots of information. You'll continue. You'll add any dependents, which is an important step. If you have any children or spouse and children, you want to add them in here so you can see later on what the costs might be. It's not mandatory to do this. And if you add your dependents in here, it's not enrolling them in anything. It's just giving you the opportunity later on in the system to see what the cost might be should you choose to do that. If you have Medicare coverage, you'd load it in here. Now you get to your benefits. And so the very first thing is you need to specify your coverage. You're going to select the check mark or the X to indicate enrolling or waiving coverage. So let me enroll for myself. For my spouse, I'm going to decline for my child. It's going to ask you why. We're going to say other, other, whatever the reason may be. It's fine. So other, whatever. So now I'm looking at these plans, and notice these plans have links underneath each one of them. Information on how to access a member ID card, the benefit summary, the smartphone app. And then the summary of benefits and coverages. This is a mandatory document that the Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare, says you must open in order to review and see the benefits. It's a compliance thing for us. So once you go through here and you find the plan that works best for you, go ahead and select that plan there. Notice each one of them will have kind of some different options. We've got Kaiser, we've got Blue Shield, we've got Sharp Health Plan, and new to us this year is the MediExcel health plan, which is coverage that is good almost exclusively in Mexico. So some good information there. Notice when I choose an HMO plan, it's going to ask me for my primary care provider. So I can click one of these links to be taken to the website to search a provider, or I can just say auto assign. So auto assign means that the insurance company is going to assign you a primary care provider near your home. Don't fret. If you don't like this provider, you can always change it. We'll go ahead and hit continue. Here we have our dental plans. I'm going to select coverage for everybody just to keep it simple. Some notes up here about the PPO plans. The PPO plans are going to be the same price, but the NAP plan has a greater access point for non-network dentists. So if you have providers that are real fancy or they don't take any insurance, you want to take this NAP plan. For those of you that don't have a ton of preferences or you know that your provider is in-network, go ahead and take the value plan. The value plan has better coverage for in-network dentists. The NAP plan is a very good plan for people who want to see providers out of network. So we'll select one of those. I'll select just the regular value plan. Here's some benefit links there. We'll continue. Notice if I choose this HMO plan, primary care information shows up. So I'm going to select there. Also notice on the right, my numbers are tracking as I'm choosing my plan. So these are truly the per paycheck costs that I'm going to be looking at. Let's continue. Let's say no thanks to all the vision benefits just because maybe we're just not interested. So same thing, we'll have to do the same thing with everybody else in the family. Boom, boom. We're going to waive it. There's a benefit summary. Let's continue. Once you get to this page, it's going to give you a summary of what you chose. You can print this summary here. Let's say it's all correct. If it's not, you can hit the edit button and you can go back. Now here we are here. I forgot to open my summary of benefits and coverages, so it's not letting me through yet. So let me just click this button there. I've now opened this document. Okay, great. I've reviewed all of it. Now I can continue, sign. And for those of you who have used DocuSign or something like that in the past, very similar. They're going to ask you to type your signature. They'll also ask you to sign it. So we'll type it one time, and we'll use our mouse to sign like that. next. It'll take you through the entire process of all the forms, asking you to just input your signature in the necessary places, and then you're all done. Now, you can go through and you can look at all these applications yourself if you'd like, or you can just say finish signing. Once you do that, at the top right here, you have a finish button there, and it'll take you back to your dashboard where you will then receive an email that says, thank you, your benefits have been submitted. So that's how you know you finished. You get this email saying, thank you, your benefit enrollment has been submitted. Thanks for tuning in for this quick tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bill Hammett. You can reach me at 619-658-0486. Thank you.